Hello and welcome to Kiri's car store, where we have this stunning BMW 520d finished in white. This is a 2020 model, comes with black styling on the grille, with a black front splitter, front parking sensors and upgraded alloy wheels. We also have black styling on the side skirts with privacy glass to the rear of the car. Also to the rear we have reverse parking sensors, black spoiler and a black rear diffuser as well. Inside we have our M Sport leather steering wheel with cruise control and multimedia functions. Stunning cognac leather interior with a dark roofline, ambient lighting throughout the cabin with dual zone climate control and heated seats. There's an automatic gearbox with electronic handbrake and auto hold. This car comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as BMW navigation and Bluetooth connectivity for our mobile phone. This car also comes with a 12-month unlimited mileage warranty from Kiri's Car Store. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks again.